Cause right there. Dang. It's like a. Oh man, baby. That's like a...
Fish on! Having fun today.
Yeah, today's a good day, man. Fun.
You man! Yeah. Hey, another one! Fish on!
Double.
Double, double! Hey, another one! Fish on!
Double.
Double, double!
Oh my.
Double, guys! Awesome day! Woo-wee!
Take your phone out of the water, huh?
Oh, nice!
Oh, take your stuff out of the water.
Oh. Ah, yeah.
Insane, man.
Hey, two.
Wow, it's a double.
Oh, you missed. Oh, you missed the other one.
No, they're there. It's a double. Oh, damn, man. Oh, it's hella heavy, man.
All right, 2 fish in 1 pole. Again, what? You a taco? Bye bye.
Fun. You want me to go get it?
Alright, let's check this out.
Double, bro.
2 fish in 1
double.
pole. Don't lose this one, please. Don't lose this one. Don't lose this one. Don't lose this one. We lost. We lost 2.
That boat's gonna make it hard.
But it's okay. Get this too. We sweat.
Ah, my arm. I hate it when it's double, man. It just will not come, man.
When you have 3 fish in there, you get in trouble.
Oh, the 2 bottom too. Hey, what you doing? Come on. Get boat. Lift it up in the boat. Oh.
Check. There you go. 2 fish finally.
Oh, there. Hey. 2, baby. Oh, 2, man.
2 fine.
A good size too. They ain't no babies, man.
Medium size. Alright.
Right there. Oh, baby.
Shad on again. Less than 5 minutes.
Yeah, this one's heavy. This one feels a little heavy.
Whoa.
Man, he's way down there. Oh, you don't have to do that, huh?
It's okay.
You gotta put it down now.
Look.
He's heavy.
Hey, look.
The motor died. Hey, boat motor died. They're drifting downriver. He's heavy, man. He's a big one. Watch out, Dad. Yeah.
I haven't seen a fish yet.
I know. I think it might be a double.
Oh, we'll see. Don't push it.
I'm so...
Take your time.
Like it's never gonna come up. Yeah, it's a double. No, it's a single.
Single.
So that'll come out.
Come to me. Pull it.
Don't worry about that.
Can't see the fish.
Get,
Whoa!
Get there.
You ready? You ready? Which way you want me to go?
Double. Hurry. Hurry. It's a double. This side. This side.
Man. Hey, bring it in. Bring it in. Bring the other one in. No, one's in the cup. One's underneath the net. Pull up.
Let's hold that fish. Fight that fish. Hurry. Hurry.
Oh, triple, boy. You got a triple, guy.
Triple at the end, baby.
Finish it out like this. There you go.
Oh, how you feel? How you feel?
Good.
How you feel? How you feel?
Triple.
One fish. Look at double. Double on one pole. Double on one pole, man. Come on, man. That's how you finish it, man. Hecka cool, man. Final double, guys.
Final
double on one pole, guys. Final double on one pole.
Nice.
Hello, guys. Today was an awesome day. Yeah, I got a chance to fish with Adet. Check out his channel, Adet Fishing. And also, can't beat today. Today was a really good day for us. And then the final two that we caught that we needed, it was 2 on one pole. So that was pretty awesome. Thank you for watching. If you like our channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to us. There'll be more to come. Stay safe and be blessed, guys. Until next time.